For our project, we measured the height of a car using the car's shadow and our height and our shadow.
So the car's shadow was 454 centimeters tall, and my shadow was 373 centimeters.
My shadow was 385 centimeters, and we were both around 170 centimeters tall.
So when we did the math, we did our shadow's height over our height, and then we made that equal to the height of the car's shadow over x, because we're trying to find the car's height.
So we cross multiplied and we got 385x about is equal to 8,082, and that got the height of the car to about 210 centimeters.
Which was sort of off from what we directly measured, which was around 280 centimeters.
Yeah, so we thought that possible errors could be that just with measuring, since we didn't have like an exact measurement of our height and our shadows, since we are children. So
Also, I think maybe the different height of each person could make the calculated height of the car vary depending on how tall they are.
yeah, and also depending on like where we started measuring the shadows from.
Yeah. So the time of the day, maybe if we started one day and then we started another day, the sun would be at a different height than it was the other day. Same with the car. The car's shadow would have changed length too.
Close to 3 minutes.
Comparison and direct.
Yeah, so obviously this is our diagram right there. So this is my height over my shadow. This is the car's height over its shadow. So we used the first method, which was obviously measuring it by shadows, and that works because our shadows our shadows and our height will directly correlate because the sun will give the same angle for it.
Do you want to talk about how the triangles are proportional to each other?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
So these two triangles are proportional to each other because we found that they are at the same angle because both of the shadow's length is here, and then we're measuring how tall the car is. Obviously, we're not measuring at an angle, otherwise at a different angle. Otherwise, the car would have a slanted height. So then that would make the same angle right here. It's a 90-degree angle. So then the hypotenuse would only be the difference, so the height would be different. So when all the sides are different but all the angles are the same, that would make all the triangles proportional and what's the word? Similar.
Yeah. So that is how we found out how tall the car was.